Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of watch Delta from the brand Boat. So let's get started. This is a watch Delta. It is from the brand Boat. You can see the big picture of the watch here and the box says time for change. Now this watch comes with a unique feature, and that is it comes with unique 3D user interface. So while using the watch, the graphics are such, the brightness, the color display is such that it gives a very 3D like effect. You can see the Boat branding here, and plus it has 1.3 inches full touch LCD display. You also get a call and text notification with vibration alert. You can control your camera or your music with your watch. You also get this sedentary reminder. Now nowadays, while we are sitting in front of TV, we are sitting in front of laptop, we are working, we sit for a longer period of time without realizing that we have been sitting in one position for a long period of time. This watch has this sedentary reminder which lets you know that now you should get up and move around in the house or in the office, wherever you are. You can also do weather forecast with this watch. It also has this blood oxygen monitor, heart rate monitor, sleep monitor and guided breathing. Now these are some basic features that should be there in the watch, and there are in this watch. You also get multiple sport modes, plus this is compatible with iOS 9.0 and above and Android 5.0 and above. Now if you're thinking, can I wear this watch while swimming, or whether it is water resistant or not, let me tell you, it is IP68 water, dust and sweat resistant, which means it is enough to withstand dust, dirt and sand, and are resistant to submersion up to a maximum depth of 1.5 meter underwater for up to 30 minutes. Now again, that's a very good feature to have. Now let's quickly open the box. This is the watch. It's nice, bright black in color. This is how it looks. It has a round dial and it has this soft silicone straps, and at the back of it you can see the charging slot, and plus there are sensors here. Now this is the watch that you get in the box. Plus there is this user manual which talks about the watch, its feature in detail, what all are the packaging contents, how you can connect this with your phone and how you can charge it. Now you get a screen type of 1.3 inches full touch LCD display. Battery capacity, if you want to know, you get battery capacity of 250 mAh. The weight of the watch is 31 grams and the charging time it takes is around 2 hours, and then you can use it for a week. For good 7 days you can use it after charging. Now you also get this charging cable. It is magnetic, and let me quickly show it to you how it works. You just press it here. You just have to keep it and it gets automatically connected, and this part you can put it in your charger or your laptop, however you want to charge this. So you get the charger, you get this Boat catalog. It's like a mini catalog which talks about various branding. There's also Boat sticker here, and there is also a 1-year warranty that is mentioned on this. So this was it in the unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.